Hey, what's up everyone? Game Dad here, and I am super excited to unbox and share something new that I picked up. Now, I really enjoy being able to go camping and being able to still have my devices on me and being able to charge up. And you know, I have kids, sometimes they like to unwind and have something like a tablet or something like that on them. And it is always nice to be able to have something that can charge all of my devices and also be portable. And if you've ever seen a sponsored ad for them on YouTube, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about because they seem to be a dime a dozen, but they didn't sponsor me, I bought this myself. And that is, this guy right here. This is the Jackery solar generator. This is the 300 plus 40 watt mini. So it comes with the 40 watt solar panel. But we are gonna get this thing unboxed, check this out and see what all comes inside. And I am super excited because I will be using this device right here at the Midwest Gaming Classic. That way I can be able to charge phones, devices, things like that. But then also camping season is coming up and this will be an invaluable thing to be able to have. Charge up, you know, phones or whatever else and just be able to have a little power while you're still out camping. Because just because you want to rough it doesn't mean that you know, you have to be powerless. You don't have to rough it that much. But let's go ahead and unbox this and see what comes inside. So as you can see here, we have the top of the box. And if we go right here, we have some specs. Solar generator 300 plus 40 watt mini. Solar input power is 40 watts, 288 watt hours, 300 watts. It is a portable power station and it is very like nondescript boxing. There is not much going on here. You see the generator right there. You see the solar panel, and that's about it. So let's go ahead and open this up. I have had this sitting here for a while, but I was sick and couldn't unbox it, and it's been nagging at me, and I finally get to open it. Here we go. We open this right here. Open step. Flap, flap, other flap. And holy cow, it doesn't actually, oh no, this is cables. I thought it was gonna fit inside of this thing. Okay, let's set this to the side. We'll get everything out and then take a look at all of it. This little tray has some stuff, including instructions and stuff about an app. This looks like, that is the solar panel right there. Okay, now let's see. There is the generator itself. Well, this thing is not what I expected. I expected this to be some massive thing I was gonna have to lug around, and it's like the size of my head. I mean, I got a big head, but still, it's not heavy either. I mean, it's not something I would wanna, you know, take with me for 10 miles or something, but no, this is really lightweight. Okay, so let's see what all comes with it. First, we're gonna take a look at this little goodie bag right here. It feels like cables. Let's see if this has some cables in it, shall we? So we're gonna go ahead and unzip the little pouch. And yep, it's got cables in it. What do we have here? Oh, I just threw something too. So it's got a couple of different cables in it. Right here is some sort of type C to something else sort of dongle thing. What is this? This adapter is specifically designed for charging portable power stations and is not suitable for charging other devices like cell phones. Okay, so this is something to charge another power station? I don't know. All right, let's see. What is in bag number 1? This is something fancy. So it's got like a little 2-prong connector right there. It's got something else here. Oh, and then that allows me to plug this one in, it looks like. Maybe? I don't know. Maybe. Oh, no, I'm not gonna force that. It looks like it connects there. Oh no, it is a slightly different connector on there. Okay, so there is a power connection. I think one is straight and one has a right angle to it maybe, but there's that one. Now let's look at what comes in the other bag, shall we? Oh, here we go. So this is your actual AC power right here, or DC, or whatever it is. I don't know, I'm not an electrician, but here's your for wall outlet to plug it in and charge it that way. I like all the branded stuff, all the orange, that's nice. So that is everything that comes in the handy dandy little pouch. We'll go ahead and move the garbage out of the way. And then another thing that came with this was manuals. So you have the user manual for the Jackery app. You have the user manual for the Jackery. And then you have the solar panel quick guide. I'll probably keep those, and they will conveniently fit in that little pouch as well. We'll go ahead and move more garbage out of the way. Put those over there. Now let's take a look at the solar panel that comes with this, and then we will get to the big boy itself, the actual solar generator. I have a feeling it comes with at least some sort of charge on it, but I guess we will find out. So looking at this right here, we're gonna open that up, flip this over, and foam. What's under the foam? Jackery. And it's got more foam in it. What is this? Plug down. What? Oh, okay. So, wonder if I should keep this. I don't know. Maybe. Let's see here. Output. Oh, okay. So that first orange cable actually will plug into the little spot right there. So that'll give it its solar charge. Everything feels, yeah, it's all magnetic. That's nice. So we're going to open this up. We got some more foam in there, probably just to help protect the cells. And then it unbuttons, and then there's even more. Wow, this thing is bigger than I expected. Okay, so as you can see right here, got a nice little solar panel setup. Cool. So let's go ahead and put the foam back in this guy. I'll do that, and I don't know where all of it went. Oh, and then it just kind of button snaps down. That's nifty neato. Then we do this, and now I can put it back in its handy dandy fancy little box. There we go. So I know that you do not need to use a solar panel to be able to charge. And if you're indoors, like when I'm taking this to the convention, I mean, that's going to be completely useless to me. So I don't even know if I will take the solar panel with me whenever I go. But it is nice to have. For camping, that'll definitely come in handy. But let's take a look at the big boy itself right here. Now, this is fitting in the palm of my hand. Again, I'm a big dude. You know, I'm like 280 something and 6'5", so this is me palming this thing. If you're more of a normal size human, I'm not sure how it would feel for you, but right here on the side, you can see we have our power input. On the other side, there's nothing. There's a nice little handle. I love all of the orange and black, although purple and black would have been cooler. But if we look right here, you can see we have kind of the, what is that called? I grew up calling this a cigarette lighter in the car. I don't know what it's called now, but yeah, that's there. Ooh, we have a peel. Oh, that is a rough peel. Oh, that was not as satisfying as it could have been. Sorry. You have a light. You have an actual outlet right here, so that's awesome. And it says AC 120/300 pure sine wave. I don't know what that means. You have a USB port right here. It's a 15 watt max. You have a 100 watt max for out power and in and out power right here. So, oh, this must be where you use the little dongle and then you can plug in and charge this up from another battery pack. I don't know why you'd want to do that. That seems silly. But then this is in and out power, and then you have your screen right here. So very cool. And this is the Jackery Explorer 300 Plus. But let's go ahead and turn it on and see what it do. I'm guessing I hold the power button. Nothing is happening. Oh, there it goes. Oh, what is it doing? Did it work? There we go. So right now, its input is 0, its output is 0, and it has a 29% charge. And apparently it's looking for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So obviously I'll get this set up with my phone and all of that, but there we go. That's nifty. What does the light do? I'm gonna blind you all. Here we go. Huh. Oh, and it like strobes too. Wait, was that an SOS? Let's see here. So we can turn it on. You have light. I'm sorry for your eyes. Do this. Yeah, it's doing Morse code. It's flashing SOS. So it's 3 dots, 3 dashes, 3 dots, SOS. You're welcome if you didn't know that before. But yeah, so, wow, this thing is like, I don't hear anything. It's completely silent. I don't know if once it pulls more power, if it starts ramping up or not, but let's see, I can just hold the power down on this, and it's off. And there you go. It's a giant battery pack. That's what it is. Now this, you cannot travel on an airplane with it. Because of the size of the battery that is in this, it is over the max that is allowed. Its size obviously is fine, but let's see here. Can I see on the back? It's giving me all of the input, the output, all that stuff. It's rated for a 600 watt surge, so that's nice. Total output, It doesn't say battery capacity. Not that I'm seeing anyway. Or I guess that's what the 288 watt hours is the overall battery capacity. But nice. This is going to be far beyond adequate for what I need it to be. And this is one of the smaller ones. They make a couple of smaller size ones than this, but this was the first one where you got some sort of a panel with it. They also make an even more powerful panel that you can get separately, but for what this was and how I was going to use it, I mean, it was the perfect size. Then they even make the big chonky boys of these that cost like thousands of dollars, and those can basically run your house. I don't want one of those. I don't need one of those, but this is awesome, and I'm very excited for this. This thing is going to get a ton of use through conventions, through camping. We go to the beach and want to power a fan off the cigarette lighter. I don't know. This is going to be awesome. Now, if you like this video and you want to check out another recent unboxing, then go ahead and check out this area right here. And let me know down in the comments below, do you have a Jackery or some other kind of solar generator or something like that, some giant battery pack that you can take to give you extra functionality when you are out and about? Let me know down in the comments below. And as always, I'm Game Dad. I thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you later.